CrossWay Industry. GuangZhou CrossWay Industry Company Limited, located in Guangzhou City, China. Our management, through a plan and action, speaking with facts. Every problem needs to be patient, every system be strict. Friendly team worker help each other. Responsibility is quality assurance. Quality is the life of a brand. Showing all client see machine works. The company has professional technical for working with machines and training customers. Keep sure all machine tested before packing. To get our trustly reputation, it's already passed different type certification, like business license, SGS certificate. Now, the company is expanding various kinds of products to all customers, the same as UV printers, large format printers, CNC routers, laser equipments, cold hot laminator, paper cutter, screen pad printing machine, and all type of heat press. Join us and view more at www.crossway-industry.cn.